save you a couple of minutes. If you think you can make money on YouTube with this kind of content, you won't. The platform is flooded with it. All right. Now that the easy money dreamers are gone, we can begin. We start in Audacity. Import your tracks using Import Audio, not Open. If you use Open, every file becomes a separate project window. We don't need chaos today. Align the tracks. Move them up. Add simple crossfades. A bit of EQ if needed. Maybe adjust the tempo. Nothing fancy. Done. Export as WAV. Now for visuals. You can record an EQ animation. Or you can record something that looks complicated. For example, a terminal running scripts. Completely unnecessary, but it looks impressive. If you want the hacker aesthetic, just record your screen while something installs in Docker. Nobody will know the difference. Whatever you capture, keep about 60 to 90 seconds. That's enough. Now open Blender. Of course, you could build a complex 3D visualizer here. But that requires effort. And we're keeping this lazy. Import your background image. Place it on the lower track in the timeline. Scale it to fill the screen. Now add your recorded video on the upper track. Select it. Press S to adjust the size. Use G to move it into position. If the background is black, change the blend mode to lighten. That makes the black areas transparent. Simple compositing. No magic. Once everything looks acceptable, render the video. Nothing special here. We just need a clean output file for the final step. Now go to the directory where your audio and rendered video are saved. Open a terminal. Run FFmpeg. The exact command is in the description. Press enter. Wait a few seconds. Done. You now have a finished video. If this helped, comment and subscribe. If you're not as lazy as I am,